Yeah. Oh, so
Yes, sir.
yeah. Uh, Topic is draft, manuscript, and software for grammar and plagiarism. Okay. First is objective. After reading these PPTs, we can go how we refer in the work to be followed in this regard. Second is role of different softwares in checking grammar. Third is in checking plagiarism. So these four main topics that I will discuss here, and you will find it interesting because every researcher or academician, they are publishing papers, but the question is that how do we can go publish paper in the world journal, that means then also Scopus, then also Web Sciences, Thomson Reuters, all these journals. You make huge strides in advancing essential knowledge. Achievements can save lives and improve the way we live. If you ready to share your knowledge with the world, this booklet outlines the best opportunities for publishing your research and for seeing it. I have a story to tell. Editors and reviewers look for original and innovative research that adds to their field of study or immediately impacts patient care. This means that your conclusions must be sound and based on sufficiently robust data. Secondly, finding the more original and innovative your research, the more people will interested. Consider whether your research is one of interest to a local, regional, or international audience. Identifying your audience is a major factor in selecting the right journal. Submit your manuscript to. There are several types of research articles. Letters and number one, letters and rapid or short communication are intended for the quick and early communication of significant or original advances without including too much data or details. Second is review papers, summarize recent developments on a specific topic without introducing new data. Third is full article contains significant data, detailed development and outcomes. Fourth is research elements enables you to publish research output such as data, software, methods, video, and much more in brief, citable articles. If you unsure which types of article to write, discuss your options with your supervisor or colleagues. For the purpose of this PPT or booklet, we offer guidance for writing and publish a full article. Once you have decided to write a full article, follow the guidelines of your choose journals and the general guidelines for scientific writing outlined in the following section. Maximize your article's visibility. Finding the right journal, finding the right journal, finding the right target audience, take into consideration the type of article you would like to publish. That means full length, letter, review, research output, etc. Check the references in your article to give an indication of possible journals of interest. Read the journal's aims and scope on the journal homepage on elsevier.com. Read or download the journal's guide for authors. Check if the journal is invitation only. Some journals only accept articles after inviting the author to submit. Check the journal's performance for review publication timelines. Elsevier journals explain their open access option on the journal homepage. Submit your paper to only one journal at a time. The journal finder tool locates eligible journals that most closely match your abstract, and eligible journal will be recommended if it has published articles that are high similar to your article. A list of relevant articles is generated and the tool can filter your preferred site criteria such as open access, optional metrics, review time, acceptance rate, and production time. Journal metrics. Journal metrics are at your disposal to help you select the most appropriate journal for your article. When used alongside information about the journal's scope, editor board, international outlook, and audience, they can help you to find the best destination for research. Different types of journal metrics. It's good practice to browse the homepage on elsevier.com, giving information about the journals. First is speed, review speed, and online publication time, release, geographic location of corresponding authors, and journal usage, impact metrics based on citation received by articles, citation based impact metrics. The average impact of all the articles in a journal is often used as a proxy for the impact of a specific article, especially when the article hasn't yet had time to accumulate its own citation. It's important to take the kind of proxy metric either green. That option that I have been. Then some bodies or institution have a policy on public access to research or funding body before you decide whether there are two main types of open access or gold access, or open gold access or green. What is the difference between the gold and green and not published access paper? Elsevier offers a wide range of publication options for your research to comply with funding policy and institutional mandates that I have already previous slides that I have shown.
Sir, sorry for interruption. Actually, your PPT unfortunately stopped. Kindly share it again. It is actually unfortunately stopped your PPT. PPT was sharing. It is actually going on smoothly. In between, there was maybe some network issue, so your PPT is not coming. Kindly reshare it. Go for sharing the screen.
Now it is shared.
Yeah, you kindly go for share and you can go for sharing the PPT.
Now it is shared.
Yes, yes, it is coming.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I have shown there are two types of open access option. One is the gold access, another is the green open access. So these are the two options that has been described here. So based on that, which category you want to follow, accordingly you can choose to publish your paper. So, now prepare your paper. First is the title. The title is the main advertisement. A poorly titled article may never reach its target reader. Your article's title should reflect its content clearly, enabling readers to decide whether it's relevant for them. Make the title catchy and keep it specific. Leave out phrases such as using abbreviations and jargons. Remember too that abstracting and indexing services depend on accurate titles. They extract keywords from them for cross-referring, essentially effective titles. Identify the article's main issue. Begin with the article's subject matter. Article complete as are as short as possible, are enticing and interesting. They make people want to real future. And then only authors who have made an intellectual contribution to the research should be credited. Those who will take responsibility for the data and conclusion and who have approved the final manuscript. The order of credit names can vary between disciplines. The corresponding author may not always be the first author. Then keyword list. Most journals request a list of keywords, important words that along with those in the title, capture the research effectively. Keywords are used by abstracting and indexing services. Choosing the right ones can increase the chances of your article being found by other researchers. Many Elsevier journals also ask for a subject classification during the online submission process. This helps editors to select reviewers. Then abstract is your chance to describe your research in 200 words. So use it wisely. Together, the title and abstract should be able to fully represent your article, including many authors write the abstract last, so it reflects the content accurately. The abstract should summarize the problem or objective of your research and its method, result references, figure or tables. It should mention a significant section of the article with enough details for readers to decide whether or not to read the whole paper. While it's great to make the abstract interesting, or above all, it should be accurate. Don't promise more than your article delivers. The body of the text. Make the introducing brief. It should provide content and background, but not be a history lesson. It should state the problem being investigated in the research. State the question you are answering and explain any finding of others that you are challenging or furthering. Briefly and logically read the reader to your hypothesis, research question, and experimental design or method. Method, also called materials and methods or experimental method. This section should be detailed enough that reader can replicate your research and